Hello, this is my app called Budget. It is for tracking users' incomings and outgoings based on costs entered on the setup page in order to assist users with their finances. It uses those dates to automatically increment costs to both incomings and outgoings. The app has accessibility features of context descriptions and external keyboard support. I'll demonstrate some of those accessibility features now.
Budget.
As you can see.
This app allows you.
So I'll go to the next page. After clicking done, here's where users can enter the amounts and days. This flag right here lets the app know whether that cost is going to be debited or credited to a savings account. These costs will automatically increment to the tracking features with notifications of a payment being due. I will set some future dates to demonstrate this. So here's income of 2000 set to the future, so that should not show immediately, so I won't get a notification for that one. As for council tax, I will also set this for the future, and I will set gas for now with that set as a debit. I will set electricity to a debit as well, and these will be today's date. I will set water to the 26th, and that can be a debit as well. Broadband can be a debit. I'm going to leave some as not a debit. I'm also going to omit cable TV by adding a 0, so that won't be saved at all. And I will leave some dates blank, because when I leave the dates blank, that will default to today's date. So I'm just going to quickly enter the rest here. And click save. As you can see, I have some notifications here for what is expected payments and received money today. Clear notifications now. Now I'm going to look at the settings that have just been entered. So if I go, wrong button, if I go into the setup, I can search with a name. I'll search with the first one, income. Now if I click search on any of the search icons with an empty field, it will bring all of the information back. Now I've only got 23rd and 24th to select from, so I'm going to enter 2018 03 23 2 2018 03 23 23, and now it's filtered down to all the records from the 23rd. Now if I want to filter the amount, I can do that by 25, 50 or any other figure just to show it's working. And I'm going to delete my food bill. So delete. Now the food item. The other options on the settings page are clearing the data, which brings up a dialog box so users don't accidentally clear the data just by nudging the button accidentally. They're able to go through the setup process again or view instructions again. So now I'm going to go and press the home button. Now I'm going to look what's in money in. Now that's the savings, and that's all that's in there for incomings at the moment. So the money left is what's to be debited out the savings and the total outgoings. To get a breakdown of the total outgoings, I can go to money out. Money in and money out both have the same search functionality displayed in view setup. So I'm going to just display this quickly. Now I'm going to click the home button again. Next thing I'm going to do is quickly show what happens when I change a setting. So I'm going to now have income come through on today's date. This should be a good demonstration of how notifications will arrive. Oops, I don't want to wipe all the savings out. So now I have the notification because now the payment has actually been received because I've changed it to come today. So now income showing there. So now I'm going to show the ad hoc feature. On the ad hoc feature, this is for the obscure finances that would not be sensible to put in on the settings page, such as football tickets, because not everybody likes football, but some people do. I'm going to put that as a cost of 25, and I'm going to make that tomorrow's date. This is different from the calendar settings because it's an ad hoc, it only has to go in once, so there's no point in putting it in the settings because it would keep coming every month when I might not want it to. So I have this to go directly into the main database so I can view ins and outs. And I'm going to also put an incoming description such as PPI claim. Maybe somebody's got £500 returned to them. I'm going to set that to a future date also. I'm going to put that to incoming. I'm going to add that and I'm going to click done. Now I'm going to have a look. Now that's correctly gone in there with the correct date and money out. This app also caters for accessibility with external keyboard support and content descriptions, which I'm going to display now.
Ad hoc. Money out. Money in. Settings.
These content descriptions run through the whole application, which I'm going to show in a few more places.
Gas. Save.
Now I'm going to press the home button. So just to recap, the app accounts for money in, money out, ad hoc. It has the settings, so to view the instructions again, to go through the settings and make changes, to view the setup, to clear the data. It has the home button and it automatically adds the money from the settings in each month without the users having to keep adding it manually. This is the end of my demo. Thank you for watching it to the end.